Hello first year students. We are starting with spirochete staining. The method today we are going to perform is Harris method, in which we are going to utilize two different solutions. Very first is 1% KMnO4 solution. You can see very nicely. Okay. 1% KMnO4 solution, and the second staining solution is high concentration of crystal violet, 2% crystal violet. Okay, so these two are staining solutions which we are going to use during the staining procedure. Now first of all we will sterilize our slide by passing it through the burner, then allow it to cool properly, and after it cool down, then after we will mark the oval shape on the bottom of our slide. Okay, that is on another side of the slide. So this is the side where we are not going to make the smear, but for our confirmation that where smear is made, we are making the oval shape. Okay, so can you see it properly? So now we are going to make the smear. First of all, we will take the pin, alcohol upon. We will take the pin and this pin. Okay, this pin is taken and it is sterilized properly with the help of alcohol by dipping it, and then after sterilizing through the passing through the burner's flame. Okay, and then after with this pin we are going to find out the tartar. Okay, so we will try to scrape the material in between our two teeth. Okay, and that scraping is then after kept on the slide. Okay, so before we scrape it, we will take the drop of distilled water on our slide. Okay, so this is our distilled water blend. Here you can see distilled water is there. With the help of nichrome wire, I will take a drop of distilled water and keep it on the slide like this. Okay, if you are not sure, you can take for second time also. Yes. Now I will take the slide, I will take the pin, and then after I will dip it in the alcohol. Okay, this is our alcohol. You can see very nicely. It may be acetone is also there, and we are now passing through the flame. Now this pin will get sterilized by this procedure, and now we can use it in the teeth. Okay, so now from the teeth I am going to, in between the space of the teeth, I am going to take some material, and then after this material is to be kept on the slide. Okay, you can see the white colored material. Okay, and now I am keeping it on the slide. You can see very nicely that dirty white color material is there. Okay, can you see it properly? Yes. Now with the help of more distilled water, you can make the smear nicely. Okay, so you can add some more distilled water to make the smear uniformly distributed. Yes. Now with the help of nichrome wire, you can see very nicely that in the clockwise direction I am just rotating the nichrome wire, a loop of nichrome wire, and you can see that I am making the smear. Okay, so this is smear making procedure, and smear is now ready. I am now sterilizing the wire loop. Can you see the smear? All in all, can you see? This is our smear. Okay, okay, fine. Now it should be air dried, so we will keep it for some time and it will be allowed to air dry properly. After it will be air dried, we will pass this smear through the burner for 3 times to get it heat fixed. Okay, and after that we will cover the smear with 1% KMnO4 for 10 minutes. Then after, it will be washed properly, and then 2% crystal violet is to be applied for 10 minutes. And then after, we will wash again, and then by using oil immersion lens of the microscope, we are going to observe our result. Okay, now in result we are going to see that our cells, which are just like filaments, they are dark violet in color, and the background of the cells will be light violet in color. Okay, so now our slide is ready. It is completely air dried. You can see very nicely that it has been air dried. Now there is no water drops inside. Okay, confirm it first, and then after pass it through the burner for 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So that's all. Now we will flood the slide with KMnO4 for 10 minutes. So with the help of 10 ml pipette, you can take the material, okay, take the solution in your pipette, and then you can cover the smear entirely. Okay, so for 10 minutes we will do this procedure. Okay, so we will wait for some time, and after completion of 10 minutes we will again wash it, and then after we will have again application of the next stain, that is 2% crystal violet. Okay, with the help of both the stains, here iodine is working as a mordant and crystal violet is the stain which is applied to the bacteria. Okay, so now we will try to wash the slide. Okay, first of all you drain the material. And then after, gradually, with the help of very gentle flow of the water, distilled water, we are going to wash the slide. Okay, like this. Now, can you see the remaining KMnO4 on the slide? Okay, so that is taken up by the cells, so there is no problem now. Now we will apply the crystal violet. Okay, so for that also we will require 10 ml pipette, and with the pipette we will suck up the stain solution, and then we will try to cover the smear with 2 or 3 drops. Okay, so that's all. Now we'll wait for 10 minutes, and then we will again wash the slide and observe it in the 100x lens of microscope. Okay. Now after completion of treatment of crystal violet, again we are going to wash the slide. Okay, so again we will go to the basin, and we will gently, first of all you drain the material completely, and then with very gentle flow of the distilled water you can with the very gentle flow of distilled water you can wash the rest of the stain which is excessive, which is not taken up by the bacterial cell. Okay, so like this. Okay, now can you see the smear which is violet in color properly? Okay, so now our slide is ready, and allow it to air dry for some time, and then we will go for microscopy. Now while we are doing microscopy, what we are going to find out? Okay, so we will have the observation in microscope, and then after we will write down the result. Okay, so here we are going to see that a table is to be prepared for observation, and it will be given the name. We will write the heading of the table: result of Harry's method. Okay, and spirochete staining. Spirochete staining. Okay, so after giving the heading to the table, we will make the two columns. The first column will be of figure and second column will be of morphology. Now in the first column, I have already made a circle with the help of pencil and some round object. Okay, and now I am going to draw the organisms. Now with very gentle hand you are able to draw these blue coloration or violet colored bacteria which are usually spiral in shape. Okay, usually they are spiral in shape. Some other bacteria also you are going to see, but they are not to be considered, or they are not to be given any importance. Okay, there will be some gram positive rows where that is bacillus will be there, some gram positive cocci must be there. Okay, so you don't need to see them, but you only have to see the bacteria which are filamentous and extremely thin in their structure. Okay, so this type of filamentous bacteria you are able to see, which may be long or which may be having different curves, and they are very curvy bacteria. Okay, so after doing this, you can see very nicely how I have drawn the bacteria. Okay, is it fine with you? Fine. Now I will write down the result like this. Okay, the organisms are stained violet in color. They are very thin, long, and having shape of filaments. Okay, so this is our observation for Harry's method, in which we have seen the spirochete bacteria found in our teeth. Okay, thank you very much.